Good morning guys, happy Saturday. It's Saturday for me today, and as you can see I just cleaned my bike. Actually I wanted to test out this product right here, the Binder Premium Hydrophobic Wax. I just applied it. I just washed the bike, then I applied the wax. It's like a glass coating, looking super duper shiny. But okay, the main thing is the protection against the rain and grime that I get while riding. So we'll see how it goes as we ride along. So now, after I did the cleaning, it's time to replace this ugly hunk of junk with this beautiful CNC gear shifter. That looks good. Finally I can change. I've been wanting to change it for a very long time. There was some shipping troubles with this, and I finally got it. Okay, let's go. First step, remove this bolt and this bolt. Okay, there are two O-rings. Make sure you don't lose them, and transfer them to this groove right here. You can see the groove right there. Yeah, that's where the O-ring is supposed to sit. And let's just do it.
Thousand years later.
Yo guys, this is a few days after the previous clip, and as you can see, this bike is still looking very shiny, very clean. And what's surprising is I have rode this bike in the rain twice. There's 2 freaking times, and look at how clean this thing is. Yeah, this is wow, man. The most I did was just wipe it down. I didn't even wipe it down. I was just like, I took this thing after the rain, after riding in the rain, and I just like started smacking the water droplets out. Smack. That's all. So I didn't do much to actually clean the bike, and this is how it looks. Let me just give you a quick walk around. Let me tell you that usually after a rain there'll be a line of grime right over here, because there's, we have a non-existent fender, and this one is kind of useless. But yeah, there will be a line right here, grime all over here, grime all over here. Because from the rear wheel, it'll just shoot up and just land here for some reason. That still looks shiny. And here is also still clean. Spray on the engine too. And it's still clean. There was one part that I did not spray, which is the front fender. Yeah, that's how it looks like right now. You can see all the rain marks, to prove that I actually rode in the rain. Not bad. Difference is very amazing. So yeah, we always complain that whenever we wash our bikes, it's bad luck. Tomorrow's gonna rain or later it's gonna rain. But if you spray this hydrophobic wax, that will just cancel it out. It doesn't matter if it rains or not, because it will still be shiny. This looks damn clean, bro. Alright, that's all. That's my review of the Binder Hydrophobic Wax. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you like this one. Hope it was informative, and peace out. That was the best 20 bucks I ever spent.